Hello YouTube. Today, I looked out my window and we got this. This is not fog. This is smoke from a forest fire that would take us about 6 hours to drive to. It is pretty smoky. I couldn't believe it. You could barely see down the valley. You kind of look down that way, it looks almost like we're living by the ocean. A little bit. Sometimes it gets like that when it's foggy, but we're also missing our 6 sheep because they're pastured right now, and because it rained so much, the guy decided to wait to do them. So, my parents are getting ready for the camping trip. You can see my big dog Duffy kind of running there. And yeah, it's all over the place. I'll just take it to the front really quick, and then once I get inside I'll throw this in the computer and upload it. Can't really see much past the trees there in the front, but you can kind of see up that hill a little bit. There's the dogs waiting for Mom to get out of the garage. Oh. And here's my little co-star, who will be staying with me over the weekend. So that's good. Anyway, this is going to be a short one, but because it is an AV recording camera, I actually can upload this right away without transcoding, so that's good. So I hope you enjoy this short little vid. This is Buck Hunter from a very smoky home right now. Don't worry, I'm not in any danger. Signing off.